Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the lovely guitar sticker decal, an easy apply fretboard sticker designed with beginners in mind. And it's even reusable. This product aims to add some personality and flair to your instrument while offering practical benefits. The first thing you notice about these stickers is the design. They feature lovely and unique patterns, described as bringing more fun and even more flowers to your guitar. This isn't just about decoration. The patterns create interesting visual effects on the fretboard. Beyond aesthetics, they can also serve a practical purpose by helping to cover up any minor flaws or imperfections on your guitar's fretboard, giving it a refreshed look. Applying these stickers is designed to be straightforward, making them particularly suitable for beginners who might be hesitant about modifying their instrument. The material allows for easy application. Once applied, they adhere firmly to the fretboard. A key feature highlighted is that despite sticking well, they can be removed without leaving any sticky residue behind. This is crucial because it means you can change the stickers or remove them entirely without worrying about damaging the guitar's finish. The ease of removal and the fact that they won't scratch your guitar are significant advantages, especially for those who might want to experiment or aren't ready for permanent inlays. The versatility of these fretboard stickers is another strong point. They are described as being suitable for most guitars, including electric guitars and bass guitars. Furthermore, they are said to fit any size and type of guitar, which means a wide range of players can use them regardless of their instrument. This broad compatibility makes them a convenient accessory for many musicians. Operating with these stickers is very easy. You simply position them on the fretboard according to your preference. The patterns themselves are cool and attractive, ensuring that once applied, your guitar will look well decorated and unique. It's a simple way to personalize your instrument and make it stand out. The idea that they are reusable is also a nice touch, offering flexibility if you want to reposition them or use them on a different guitar. The product information also touches on the service provided, suggesting a focus on customer satisfaction. While the details are brief, the mention of a pleasant shopping experience implies support is available if needed. The overall promise is that buying these stickers should be a positive experience with no loss, ensuring satisfaction with the product. In summary, the lovely guitar sticker decal offers an easy, non-permanent way to customize your guitar. Its unique patterns provide visual appeal and can cover minor flaws. It's easy to apply and remove without damage, fits a wide variety of guitars, and is designed to be beginner-friendly. It's a simple accessory that adds fun and personality to your instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.